Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to tell a wonderful adventure story about the little bear Sally and the wise old cat Caspar. Are you ready to explore the secrets of the forest and learn survival skills together? Let's get started. In the depths of the dense forest, there lived a little bear named Sally. She was curious about every corner of the forest and always wanted to explore new places. One morning, Sally met the wise old cat, Caspar. Caspar was an elderly cat with deep green eyes and gray-white fur. He knew every inch of the forest and had helped many young animals learn how to survive in the forest. Sally approached Caspar and politely asked,
Caspar, can you teach me survival skills in the forest?
Caspar smiled and nodded, saying,
Of course, Sally. There are many resources in the forest, and if you know how to use them, they can help you survive here.
Sally and Caspar embarked on a day of adventure. First, Caspar took Sally to a place covered with fallen leaves. He picked up a few large leaves and demonstrated how to weave them together to create a simple shelter. Sally learned quickly and soon was able to build a small leaf hut by herself. Next, Caspar took Sally to a small stream with many smooth stones. Caspar picked up a stone and struck it with another stone until it became a sharp tool. He explained,
This can be used for digging and cutting. Very useful.
Sally carefully mimicked Caspar's actions, and soon she made her own small tool. She felt very proud, realizing she was becoming more capable as she learned and mastered new skills. Over the next few days, Sally and Caspar went on adventures together every day. They searched for edible plants and learned to identify poisonous berries. Caspar also taught Sally how to make traps using branches and vines to catch food. One day, Sally asked Caspar,
Caspar, what is the history of the forest? Can you tell me?
Caspar smiled and said,
Of course, Sally. A long time ago, this forest was just a small sapling. Over time, it slowly grew into the vast forest we see today. During this process, many animals made their homes here, forming a rich ecosystem.
Caspar continued,
Every creature in the forest has its unique role. The big trees provide us with shelter and food, and the streams offer clear water. We must learn to respect and protect this ecosystem to keep the forest thriving.
Sally listened intently, understanding the importance of ecological protection. She decided to be a little explorer who loves the forest, using the skills she learned to protect this beautiful home. Over time, Sally not only mastered many survival skills, but also learned how to live in harmony with nature. She realized that every corner of the forest was filled with wisdom, and with a keen eye for exploration, endless treasures could be discovered. On a sunny morning, Sally and Caspar sat under a big tree, enjoying the tranquility. Sally gratefully said,
Thank you, Caspar. You have taught me so much.
Caspar gently replied,
Sally, you are a wonderful little explorer. Remember, the journey of exploring nature never ends. As long as you keep your curiosity and courage, the forest will always be your good friend.
From then on, Sally ventured into the forest every day, discovering new surprises. She knew that no matter what difficulties she encountered, with wisdom and courage, she would always find a way to solve them. Sally's adventure stories spread throughout the forest, inspiring more young animals to explore and protect this beautiful home.